Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In today's video what I have for you is Utazi sauce. Yeah, how to make authentic Igbo medicinal sauce. And I'm going to use Utazi leaf to make the sauce. Utazi leaf is very good for everyone and extremely medicinal. It can be used for soup, sauce, or even boil the leaf with water and drink it just for a healthy lifestyle. It is very easy and simple to put together. Yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. This is Utazi. I don't know the name in English, but if I'm able to Google to see the name, I will insert the name on the screen and the leaf as well. This leaf is very healthy and is so medicinal. Scotch bonnet pepper, fresh tomato, red bell pepper, seasoning cube, salt, smoked fish, unripe plantain, and lastly palm oil. So since all our ingredients is ready, let's prep only the unripe plantain because that is the first thing we are going to cook first before the sauce is served, because the sauce is sharp. We are done with it. Please remember that wash this plantain thoroughly before cutting it. Alright, so next is to just put it in my pot, add some water to it, cover, and then take it straight to the heat. So let's boil the plantain. Please note that boiling your plantain like this is very easy, it saves time, and is healthy boiling plantain with their peels on. Alright, so that you won't lose anything from the plantain. Please note that it is very important too. You may as well decide to peel it, there is no problem about that, but just know that it's healthy boiling it like this than peeling it. While the plantain is cooking, let's make the Utazi sauce. Alright, this sauce is super duper healthy, okay, especially for diabetic patients. Now I'll be leaving most of its health benefit on the screen. I'll be adding some palm oil. We are using palm oil for this sauce. Can I use vegetable oil for this sauce? Please, the answer is capital no, because it's a native sauce. We don't need vegetable oil, okay? We use palm oil for it. Alright, and I will not allow the palm oil to heat much so that I will not burn down people's house. So I will stir a bit. You need a good quality of onion for this sauce. I will saute the onion just for a bit, not much, okay? And then I'll add my fresh tomato. You can also use blended tomato. After that, I'll stir to combine. This sauce is very easy, as I earlier said, and quick. I will also add some red bell pepper. You can skip this, there's no problem about that. And I'll be adding some roughly blended Scotch bonnet pepper. Please use Scotch bonnet pepper to your taste, alright? And I will stir very well to combine. After stirring, I will cover and allow it to cook down. Yes, the pepper mix has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes now, and as you can see, it has cooked down. So next is to stir it and then add some dry fish. Please, you can use any protein of your choice, but make sure it is either smoked or grilled fish. Alright, you know, so this one a native sauce, so you need to use something dry. Alright, I'll add seasoning cube, some salt to taste. Now stir to combine. Once the sauce is well combined with everything I've just added, I will now cover and allow it to cook down for just 5 more minutes. This is 5 minutes later, Vetus family, and I'm back. Yeah, the next thing is to add the Utazi leaf. This is Utazi. I've blended this one already, and if I can find my way, I will insert the leaf on the screen so that you will see how it looks like. Alright, I normally buy it from the market here in Ghana, and then I will blend it because it normally spoils easily. So I blend it and put inside the fridge. It is very bitter, oh. They're healthy as well. Now let's check on the plantain to see if the plantain is soft. When you see some crack like this, you will know that even without putting your spoon or your fork, you will know that the plantain is as good as ready. Yeah, let's remove it. So after adding the Utazi, This is just 3 minutes later, and here our sauce is as good as ready. Yeah, Utazi sauce, the best sauce for yam, plantain, potato and all that. But they know they use this one eat rice so. This Utazi sauce is for only the adult in my house. Some of my kids don't like eating Utazi sauce because it is somehow bitter. What they want is sweet and delicious meal only. In other words, thinking that life is sweet all through without any atom of bitterness. And I pray with all my heart that it works for them. May our children never experience any bitterness in life. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Mm.